and explain those traits also. From here, effort is less than results not working. Okay, so I told you all the VSS signals are depend on the will work on the support and resistance level. So you must understand where is the support and must understand the trend, that how trend is moving. There is a range. After range, the downtrend starts from here. Again, buyers entered. Again, now they are starting. It means what is this? It shows bias rejection from the below side, and the volume is low from the previous bar. It shows that buyers are not interested in this candle. When buyers are not interested in this candle and there is no wick held here, then how can they interested in this candle? They entered in this candle, but they failed because if there is a wick, if we see there is a something effort from the buyers, then we can understand that buyers entered here, but buyers not entered. There is no wick. When there is no wick, if you understand the candlestick, then you can trade in the direction of the trend, but not in the opposite direction, because each and every candle you see, they have an upper wick and lower wick. These all upper and lower wick showing some message that buyers entered or not, sellers entered or not, is there any rejection from any party or not. So no rejection, it shows that the another they failed here. They are not interested to enter in this candle after this candle because they already failed from this position. That is a support level. From this support level, they entered in the market and they failed. That sellers again entered. So when the ones from any support level, when the buyer failed, they will not try again. They will try again from the another place. We must understand these things. So, and that is, these are the small candles. These are not the big candles. You must see this type of effort and results comparing in the big candles. So big candles will give you the good idea. The small candles, these are the continuation of the trend. Don't go with these small candles. This effort less or effort greater than the result is a reversal signal. So reversal signal always we will find mostly it will work when it appear end of the trend. When end of the trend you see that is the beginning of the trade from this level. They do a breakout. We find there is a 45-degree angle. A 45-degree angle they break out this level. Okay, so here it will not work. It can work from here when the trend this wave is going to end, then it can work here. That is a reversal signal that this area is a, what, it's a continuation. Okay, 1 minute after azan I will continue. Yes, I give you one hint here. When it will work good and when it will not work. This idea will work when you find in the corrective wave. When you find in the corrective wave. When you find corrective wave, then it will work because the corrective wave have 3 to 4 candles. Okay, here it will work good. But you know that in the impulsive wave, when the trend is in the power and trend is uptrend, so these small anomalies will not work because buyers are strong. In the uptrend, who is weak? The sellers are weak. Sellers are weak. In the uptrend, you can get. So now this corrective wave change into impulsive. Why? When buyers again start, they failed. Now the seller's power is increasing than the buyer's power. So always look these anomalies on the corrective wave, then it will give you the ideas, good winning rates. Okay, here you can see. We will check in the live chart that how it's working. The same effort he is asking. So the new wave is starting after a pullback from the 50. It's starting. So here it will not work. Look at here, it's working. Why? The trend is exhausting here. End of the trend, because this impulsive wave has 7 to 8 candles. At the end of the trend, this anomaly will work. Start of the trend, you will never see. If there is a corrective wave, then you will see that it's working. But that is the impulsive wave, so it will not work. And one thing keep in mind, all the VSA signals, sometimes they are immediate effect signals and sometimes they are in near future signals. So I will give you idea that how we can recognize that is a near future signal or that is an immediate signal. Effort decreasing, not working. Start of the trend, just to understand, you are on the 50 EMA. 50 EMA is a pullback area. So here the concept of the decreasing the volume is another. When there is an upper wick, you can understand if the upper wick is and then the volume increasing, that is the pressure from the sellers. The candles will continue down. So low volume is a sign that sellers not entered, buyers will continue more. Same. It's a continuation of the trend. It's not an impulsive wave again. Okay. So here we are in the downtrend. Look at here anomaly working. Okay. So in the corrective wave, you will find it will work good. Okay. Same start of the trend. You can see that is a morning star pattern on this candle volume increasing. It means this pattern will work. So there before there is a price action pattern. You must understand. So I'm thinking that you people only looking at the volume bars and not looking at the price action. That is the main problem. So don't fully rely on the volume bars. Volume bars just a confirmation. It's not a strategy. It's not a signal. Like you don't fully depend on the volume bars. No, the price action first, the second confirmation from the volume, then you will win good. But if only you are looking at the VSA signals and VSA anomalies, so you must understand which is the wave. Is it a corrective? Is it an impulsive? In which trend we are trading, uptrend or downtrend? Are any ranging market sideways, or we are in the congestion area? Which pattern is creating, where is the support and resistance? These all the concepts belong to the price action. So the price action is very important in the trading. Only we cannot rely on the volume bars, that volume increasing, decreasing, volume increasing, decreasing, we can put a trade. So we must understand the conditions. Conditions we can understand from the price action, that the rejection is in the candle. How we can understand the rejection? Candle body is decreasing. What's the reason? Is there any resistance level is near, or there is something any strong sellers and buyers area? So we must understand the price action first, then we just to confirm the signal of the price action into VSA. VSA is a confirmation tool. Okay. So because volume, how created? Volume created when price move. So price movement come into price action. When price move, volume creating, it give us a confirmation that this move is a false move and this move is a wrong move or true move. So we must understand these things. Okay, so that's the same topic here. I think he is Sanjeev. Okay. Okay, your trade is good trade.
Next. Their photos are next. This is
Yes.
wrong. Next.
Volume and candle increasing, no reaction from the sellers. Yes, you can take this type of trade because you know that we was before in the range in the congestion area and buyers broke the congestion area and sellers have no effect on the breakout. There is no wick. It means there is no pressure from the sellers. Again, candles increase and it creates a higher high, lower high and higher high. So then we can trade also. The price action suggests that you can trade and volume bars also suggesting that you can trade. Okay. And then here, volume decreasing, candle increasing. Yes. So you are analyzing this anomaly in the uptrend in the corrective wave. Then you are right. And if you see this anomaly in the uptrend in the green candles, they will work, but in near future they will work. So here there is a concept. So if upthrust signal we found here, so when it will work? When the resistance is near. When the candles reach on the resistance level, then it will work. Okay, because in the bias candle, when we see the weakness, they will work at the resistance level. And in the uptrend, sellers are weak, we know. If they showing weakness, you can take immediate signal from the corrective wave from the seller's candle in the uptrend. And same in the downtrend, if you see the anomaly between the bias, you can take the signal. Then that will work. Okay. Here, okay. No rejection from sellers and volume also low. Okay, so why there is volume low and we are taking this signal? Because there is a reason. Reason is market create a trend from here. It's going down. That is the evening star, and evening star after we found a rejection, retracement, and then it will continue. So two candle must continue because there is no any big rejection from the buyers. So you are right here. Okay. Candles increasing and volume decreasing. Okay, so your trade is good, but there is a price action pattern. So the pattern always give us a retracement. That is a PSN9 pattern. So after a pattern creating, we must wait for the retracement candle. Even the doji is a continuation sign after any pattern. When after any pattern doji appear, that's a continuation sign. You can trade in the direction of the pattern. And when the pattern create, always wait for the retracement. If the pattern suggests you that there will be no retracement or rejection, then you can trade. But there is a doji, your luck that it's closed at the ATM. But when price action pattern appear, you must look at the condition that where you are. Okay, volume increasing but candle at the SNR level with rejection. Yes. Okay. So little bit there is a change in the MT4 candles and binary option candles. Here you will see little bit change. Sometime when you find the gap up and gap down in the MT4, but IQ option fill these all the gaps. Even there is a candle, doji candle in the MT4, you will see there is a red candle. So sometimes you will find these type of variations. So we will must understand these variations because we are studying on the binary option chart. So we must understand these variations. Okay. So in the MT4, you will see there will be any doji or something else like that candle. And okay, your trade is good here because there will be a gap down. That's why the candle changed the entry point and it goes down because there is anomaly in this candle also, and trend here found anomaly. Okay, that's good because there is a seller's entry. Again, buyers overcome this over control, then and the sellers again entered from here and volume increase. That is a sign. Okay, volume decreasing but candles increasing. Okay, yes, now you can see that in this wave, do you see there are 7 to 8 candles. Now we can consider there is a effort is decreasing and result is increasing. This signal can work here and we are on the support level. There are two supports, 50 EMA and also round number. So here it can work good. Okay, these are the trades, and okay, I think you are now understanding these signals also. Okay, so signals are completed from the VSS. All signals are completed, and we must review all the signals once again in the chart. All signals are completed. Only failed buying climax and failed effort selling climax. I don't know is it cover or not. I think it's remaining. Okay, I will teach you later, but now we must review all the signals once again.
Buying climax also we are not completed, sir.
Okay, buying climax we will cover today. First review some points, then we will cover the buying climax. So I think I talk on the buying climax a little bit.
Sir, yes,
Yes.
sir, some introduction about buying climax.
Okay, I give some introduction. Okay. So when you look at the market, you must understand the trend. This trend showing that market is moving in up direction. When up direction market moving, the main force is the buyer's power. That's why sellers again and again getting weak and buyers again and again getting strong. That's why this trend is going in up direction. And when you see, when you go against the market and you look the anomalies in the green bars, so sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work, then you will be confused. So when you are in the uptrend, you must understand, you must take the opportunities which is so much weaker. The weaker is which one? The sellers are weaker, so you must take all the opportunities from the sellers because you are in the uptrend and you are going in the direction of the trend. It means if you are a little bit wrong, the trend will help you. So if you think that I can place a reversal trade on the uptrend because trend is strong, sometimes it will give you winning trades and sometimes it will not give you because after 1 or 2 candle again sellers getting weak, again buyers controlled, so your trade can be loose. So you must wait for the bearish signal, weak bearish signal in the uptrend, then you can continue. So in this uptrend, maybe there are some signals you can understand. So here, the effort signal is appearing here. Look at how it's working. Because we are in the uptrend. Here, effort is increasing, result is decreasing. Here, effort is decreasing, result is increasing. And here, effort is decreasing, result is increasing. So one time it's working, second time it's working, third time it's working. And in the uptrend, you can take signals like I give you today price action, some techniques. So that is, which is that pattern? Is it engulfing pattern? It's looking engulfing, but before there is a morning star. So I give you hint, look at now. So if you find that in the uptrend there is a morning star and volume increasing, that is a sign that you can take 5-minute trade in the trend direction. Look at, if morning star, 5-minute trade, look at the morning star, volume is increasing. So that is your signal. You can take 5-minute trade, call option in the direction of the trend. So it will give you good winning. Again, look at, I found this price action pattern. Here, I saw that volume is not increasing, but insidely, if we analyze, that is a sign that buyers are stronger. But on the next candle, if you see the volume is increasing, you can place trade from here, 3-minute or 4-minute trade, even 5-minute trade, it will win. Because you are in the uptrend, buyers will support you. Here, what is that? The morning star, volume is not increasing. And this candle, the volume is increasing. That is a sign that sellers are getting weak. You can place a trade for 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will give you winning ratio because you are in the uptrend. Again, do you see there is a morning star on the pullback, and look at volume is stronger than the sellers. So you can take 5-minute trade. It can go up in direction, but you must see that you are in the uptrend or not. And in the uptrend, I know, and I told you that one impulsive, second impulsive, third impulsive. So only 3 waves. 3 waves in the impulsive in the uptrend, then you will see the correction. So 3 times you can take a 5-minute trade. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, but not 4th time, because very, very rarely we can see the 4th impulsive wave in the trend, because that is a concept that 3 impulsive wave can appear in the trend and not 4 appearing. So 3 times you can trade. But here, if you are little bit confused that when trend is starting from here and that there is a downtrend and you don't know, maybe that is a false movement, again the trend can goes down. So you can leave this wave. You don't need to take trade in this first impulsive wave. In the forex market, all the forex traders, they are not taking the trade in the first impulsive wave. There is a concept in the forex market. They will first confirm that if the first impulsive wave created, and they have a confirmation that now the second and third impulsive wave will must create. So if you don't want to take any risk, then you don't place any trade in the first impulsive wave. You have to wait, and when the next correction you find, the correction is what? The correction is a wave correction. Sometimes if this correction you find that market is moving in up direction, here it's moving also from here, also moving from here, how you can understand from where the market will move? From here it will move, from here it will move. So I'm giving you idea that how you can understand how the market can move. You understand that from which area market can move. So market always, when it's moving in a steep direction, so it will come steep direction. If it's moving in slopey direction, it will come in the slopey direction. If slightly slope, there is a, the market will decrease slightly slow. Slide. So market always moving when it getting information from the past, from how this trend is going down. Look at now, this trend is going slopey. It's not a steep. And this wave, do you see? It's a slopey also. In this wave, look at, market is little bit steep as compared to the slope. And it's how it's moving in up direction, also steep. So market looking at the back, and when how the back is moved before, and the new move will be similar to the back move. It's a concept. If you see, all the red candles are going down, 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 down. There is no green candle. When the trend start in the up direction, you will see all the candles green, 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 green. No will be interrupt, because if there is no support level, the sellers not interrupted by the buyer. So here in this trend, the buyers will not be interrupted by the sellers because there is no support or resistance level. That's why the move will be clear. Okay. So the idea just is that you must look at the market, how market is moving. And then you must confirm the first wave, where we can confirm where it's going strong. So the first impulsive wave is ending here. From here, it's going down. Even it's not crossing here, we cannot trade here. Okay, in this area, that is the confirmation line. When it crosses, you can trade. It's a pattern also like that. When it crosses this resistance level, that is a sign that market can continue more for the 5 minutes in up direction. But if you are taking trade here like that, when you take 5 minutes here, lose trade. Take 5 minute trade here on this pattern, lose. So you must wait when the first impulsive high must be broken. High must be broken. That is a sign that buyers will continue to create a new impulsive wave. Even 5 minutes, you will see the up movement in the impulsive. So if I say that is a, just I show you whole the trend, then you will understand. So I'm giving you idea. Look at, it's very informative and it's very profitable idea. So here I saw the market is broken on this area. So even if you don't want to trade 5 minutes, you can trade 3 minutes. It will work for you. So again, there was an impulsive wave and the corrective wave is broken here. So here 3 minute trade is working. That is a continuation trade. Look at this corrective wave, impulsive wave, that is a corrective wave. Again, when it's broken here, look at, is it working for 3 minutes to 5 minutes here? So you must wait. Now, this is a whole impulsive, but there is a little bit correction inside the impulsive wave. But if we are taking the whole impulsive wave, look at here, if that is the impulsive and that is the corrective wave, where is the higher high of the impulsive? Here. So when it's crossing here, do you see the 3 minute is going up? So all the time it's going up. Again, this corrective wave, and I see it's breaking this level. Do you see the 3 minutes? It's working. So here it's working 3 minutes, here 3 minute working, and here 3 minute working, here 3 minute working, and here 3 minute working. 1 signal, 2 signal, 3 signal, 4 signal, 5 signal. So 5 signals are winning signals. We must understand the trend. It's very, it's important. If you are just looking at the anomalies and the validation, so that is not a full study. Market is running with the context. So price action is very important. So this movement, you can understand just to look at here, 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 this one, this one. So the first trade, second trade, and the third trade, the fourth trade. Only 3 trades you have to take. My suggestion is that only 3 trades you can take, not more than 3 trades. Because the fourth trade is a risky. It's a probability 50-50. Maybe you will win, maybe you will lose. Do you see on the fourth wave after, do you see there is another wave here appearing? That is a impulsive wave for the downtrend. So 3 trades you can take. There are so many pairs. You will find so many trendy market. And now when the trend again it's stronger. Look at that is the first impulsive wave and broken here. Do you see if I take the 3-minute trade, is it working? Again, I see where this level is broken, here it's broken. The 3-minute trade is working. Look at again, I see where it's broken, this correction here. Here it's broken. Do you see the 3 minutes is working? Again, look at now there is no breakout of this impulsive wave. You will see the trend maybe will change the direction, but not changing the direction. Again, it's getting strong, and now that is the area. I can take this area for the 3 minute, and also it's working. So once again, I see now the 3 to 4 trades I already taken. So now I have to wait. The trend, new trend will appear, then I can start. So you must wait for these things. So that is a pretty long, strong uptrend from here. Market creating a trend. So it's a maybe there is a news today. So that's why it's going so much in uptrend. So that strategy is very important strategy. In the trend direction, you can take 3-minute trades, and 3-minute trades you can take, and you can compare the anomalies also, and you can also trade in the uptrend with the seller's anomaly. 1-minute trade or 3-minute trade you can take. Oh, okay, yes, you can take 2 to 3 minutes in this condition. You will get idea. So if I see in this trend, so how many times I got anomaly from the sellers? Here, one time the 3-minute trade is working, one time 3-minute trade is working, one time again 3-minute trade is working. Again, here I found the anomaly, 3-minute trade is working. So look at if all the anomalies from the sellers, they trade, these trades are working, and when the impulsive wave is broken, these trades are working. So in this trend, how many trade I can take in? So 6 to 7 trade from the both sides. When the sellers are getting weak and when the impulsive wave higher high is broken, it's the sign of continuation. So 3 to 6, 7 trades I can take from only one pair in this trend. So this idea is a very, very good idea, and you can take benefit from the fractal. So fractal is what? Fractal is showing the upswing and downswing. Each impulsive wave when is creating higher high, do you see there is a fractal? So when fractal breakout, you see you can take 3-minute trade. When you fractal breakout, you see take 3-minute trade. When you fractal breakout, see take 3-minute trade. Again and again. Here again, see the 3-minute trade. So all the fractals breakout are working in the uptrend. 3-minute trade you can take. So it's a good. Any confusion?
Which fractal? What is the number of fractals? 3, 5.
It's a 5. It's a 5.
5.
Default
Okay.
period. Default
Okay.
period. Okay. So,
Okay.
and that strategy is my tested strategy in the trend market. When I'm trading on the real account, I'm using this type of strategy, the fractal breakout strategy. I'm not taking the fractal as a main part of the strategy. No. If I can remove the fractal, I can understand there is a upswing and downswing. But the fractal will help me sometime when it means it decrease my 50% work, that finding the higher high and lower low. The fractal show me information that that is the higher high of the 5 candle and that is the lower low of the 5 candle. So this strategy with the volume analysis is working very, very good and very simple strategy. There is no any hidden concept in this strategy, because we are moving in the direction of the trend, and you know that so many traders, they are fail because they are going against in the direction of the trend. And even you can take this opportunity. If you are going to against the trend direction, sometime you will win, sometime you will lose. At the end you will see that I'm still standing on the same point, not improving, but I'm decreasing. My confidence is decreasing. Yes, when we pick the wrong things, always we will decrease our confidence. When we go in the right way, always we will get some success. So it's very important. Just these are my suggestions. If you take these suggestions, maybe you will profitable in this strategy. That is a good strategy. And there I give you another idea of this strategy. I'm making it so much easier for you that you take so much easy. There is a trend indicators and there is a zigzag. Okay. So zigzag what show you? Zigzag show you that that is a move. Also the same fractals show you this wave is broken here. Zigzag will give you the late entry, but you take the body. Fractal is very good for this strategy. Okay, take 2 to 3 minute trade, it will work for you. And it gives you the idea that which is the move. And if you increase the period of the zigzag, it will give you the big wave idea. So I increase the period too. So small corrections are skipped. Only big corrections, 2 to 3 candles correction is now showing. So that is a good period. Look at. Even you are taking on the 5 minute trades, most of the time you will win. So zigzag indicator will give you this good entries also. And look at all the upswing and downswing as very related to the zigzag, where the fractal showing, the zigzag period also showing. Here it's showing, look at. Here it's showing. All the same things. Okay, I'm sending you another link and then we will continue the buying climax and signals.